Hello and welcome to Online Q's, a YouTube channel for all your online queries. In this video, we'll show you how to log into your BigPwn webmail. Now, BigPwn is provided by Telstra. So on your web browser, go to signon.telstra, telstra.com.au. Then this page should load. This is the login page for your BigPwn webmail. So type in your username over here, and then after that type in your password. Now if you have a Telstra account executive, you should enter your business ID. Click here if you want to save your login. This is only for users if you are using your own personal devices. So click on this login button after you have provided information. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos.